As usual, we start the speed test with both the phones in airplane mode connected to the same Wi-Fi network and no apps running in the background. We already compared the Mi 6X to different smartphones in terms of speed, but now we have the stock Android version of the phone, the Mi A2. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 636, while the Mi A2 comes with an octa-core Snapdragon 660, both with 4GB of RAM. Both the devices also have 6GB variants on offer. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is running MIUI 9.5 on top of Android, while the A2 is running on stock Android and is an Android One device. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is surprisingly the first one to complete lap 1 with a time of 2 minutes and 26 seconds compared to the Mi A2, which does it in 2 minutes and 31 seconds. In the second lap, we open apps in reverse order to test the RAM management abilities of both the phones. Funnily, the Mi A2 performs worse than expected and has to relaunch most of the apps and games. As a result, the second lap for the Mi A2 is a lot longer than the time taken by the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which does it in 2 minutes and 55 seconds. The Mi A2 finished the speed test with a total time of 4 minutes and 13 seconds, and the Mi A2 will definitely improve with future updates in terms of performance and RAM management, but currently its performance is below the expected level. While these tests show the true power of the phones, in day-to-day life the phones won't be tested as much and may not be that much different in terms of speed. You can find purchase links for both the phones in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.